While the leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), Nnamdi Kanu, returned to court this Tuesday, economic activities again declined in Owerri, the Imo State capital. IPOB had announced a sit-at-home in solidarity with Kanu over his trial, asking people of the southeast to remain indoors. The order was substantially complied with in Owerri, as most residents of the area, especially traders and artisans, stayed off their shops, and the market, even as banks and filling stations, remained shut. The major roads and streets, including Bank Road, Okigwe Road, and Orlu Road, were also scanty with few vehicular and human movements seen. Meanwhile, the federal government had on Tuesday filed fresh terrorism charges against Kanu, increasing the counts to 15 count charges.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.